வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஜியோகிரஃபி லெசன் 1 டேர்ம் 3 அந்த லெசன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஏஷியா அண்ட் யூரோப் அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். விச் இஸ் நாட் த வெஸ்டர்ன் மார்ஜின் ஆஃப் ஏஷியா. ஆப்ஷன் டி அரேபியன் சி இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். The intermontane Das Plateau is found between Elbrus and Zagros. Option B, Iran is the correct answer. Equatorial climate. Uniform throughout the year. The average mean rainfall is 200 mm. The average temperature is 10 degrees C of the statements given below. Option A, first statement alone is correct, is the correct answer. Next one, match the list 1 correctly with the list 2 and select your answer from the quotes given below. Option A, 2, 3, 4, 1 order is the correct answer. India is the leading producer of dash. Option B, mica is the correct answer. The natural boundary between Spain and France is dash. Option B, Pyrenees is the correct answer. The western and northwestern Europe enjoys mild and humid climate. Choose the correct option. Option B, it is influenced by the North Atlantic drift. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option D, the rivers of Europe are perennial in nature is the correct answer. Choose the incorrect pair. Option C, Pennines, Italy is the incorrect pair and option C is the correct answer. Which country in Europe has the very low density of population? Option A, Iceland is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. The Taurus and Pontine ranges radiate from Armenian the north. The wettest place in the world is Moyer-Syndrome. Iran is the largest producer of dates in the world. Europe connected with South and Southeast Asia by the Swiss sea route. The national dance of Philippines is Tiniling. The second highest peak in Europe is the Mont Blanc, 4,807 meters. The type of climate that prevails in the central and eastern parts of Europe is continental type. The important fishing ground in North Sea is Dogger Bank. The density of population in Europe is 34 persons per kilometer squared. The river passes through 9 countries of Europe is Danube. Match the following: Mesopotamian plain, Euphrates and Tigris, Moyer-Syndrome, highest rainfall, rice bowl of southeast India, Thailand, Jord coast, Norway, bullfighting, Spain. நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து கீழே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா லெட்டஸ் லேர்ன் அசசன் அண்ட் ரீசன் ஆர் கிவன். அசசன், இட்டாலி ஹேஸ் ட்ரை சம்மர்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெய்னி விண்டர்ஸ். ரீசன், இட் இஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் இன் த மெடிட்டேரியன் ரீஜியன். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, போத் அசசன் அண்ட் ரீசன் ஆர் இண்டிவிஜுவலி ட்ரூ பட் ரீசன் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் ஃபார் அசசன். Next one, places marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4. The map will be given, you will mark the places. The option B, 2, 1, 3, 4 is the correct answer. In the given outline map of Asia, the shaded areas indicate the cultivation of dash. Cultivation of dates. Option B, dates is the correct answer. Answer the following. Name the important intermontane plateaus found in Asia. The plateau of Anatolia, the plateau of Iran and the plateau of Tibet are the important intermontane plateaus found in Asia. Write a short note on monsoon climate. The south, southeast, and eastern parts of Asia are strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Summer is hot and humid. Winter is cool and dry. The summer monsoon winds bring heavy rainfall to India, Bangladesh, Indochina, Philippines, and southern China. How does physiography play the vital role in determining the population of Asia? In Asia, population is unevenly distributed because of various physical features. China and India alone covers 3/5 of Asia's population. River plains and industrial regions have high density of population, whereas low density is found in the interior parts of Asia. Name the ports found in Asia: Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Chennai, Mumbai, Karachi, Dubai. Asia is called the land of contrast justify. Asia is the biggest continent, has 5 different types of land features such as mountain, plateau, plain, valley, bay, island, etc. It has different climatic conditions from the equator to polar region. Many races, languages, religions and cultures are followed by the people who live in Asia. Therefore, Asia is called the land of contrast. Name the important mountains found in the Alpine system: Sierra Nevada, Firenze, the Alps, the Apennines, the Dinaric Alps, the Caucasus, the Carpathian. What are the important rivers of Europe? The important rivers of Europe are Volga, Danube, Dnieper, Rhine, Rhone, Po, and Thames. Name the few countries which enjoy the Mediterranean type of climate: France, Montenegro, Serbia, Albania, Greece, Spain, Italy. Give a short note on the population of Europe. Europe is the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa. High population density is often associated with the coal fields of Europe. Other populous areas are sustained by mining, manufacturing, commerce, offering large market, labor force, and productive agriculture. Monaco, Malta, San Marino, and Netherlands are the most densely populated countries. Islands and Norway are very low density population. Name the important festivals celebrated in Europe: Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, Saint Day, Redemptor, Tomatina, and Carnival. Distinguish between intermountain plateaus and southern plateaus. Intermountain plateaus are found in the mountain ranges. Example: plateau of Anatolia, plateau of Iran, and the plateau of Tibet. Southern plateaus. The southern plateaus are relatively lower than the northern plateaus. Example: Arabian Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Shan Plateau, and Yunnan Plateau. Cold desert and hot desert. Cold desert, the barren areas, especially sandy region of little rainfall, featuring cold dry winter, found in the Antarctic, Greenland, Western China, the Gobi Croatic Desert in Mongolia. Hot desert, the barren area, oftenly sandy region of little rainfall. The largest hot desert is the Sahara Desert. Tundra and taiga. Tundra, the Arctic and northern Scandinavian highland have tundra type of vegetation. The winters are very long and severe. Summers are very short and warm. It is the land with a few animals like polar bear, reindeer, and walrus. No trees, lowest form of vegetation like mosses and lichen only available. Taiga, found in the south of the tundra region in Norway, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, and Austria. The winters are long and cold. Northwestern Highlands and Alpine Mountain Range. Northwestern Highlands, the region includes the mountains and plateau of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Scotland, and Iceland. This region has fragile coast. It was created by glaciations. A lot of lakes are severe as reservoirs for producing hydroelectricity. Alpine Mountain Ranges system consists of the chain of Jungfrau Mountains found in the southern part of Europe. Pyrenees is the natural boundary between the Spain and France. There are several active volcanoes. Asia is the leading producer of rice. In Asia, India has the largest area of arable lands. Agriculture is intentionally practiced in the riverine plains of Asia. China and India are the leading producer of rice in the world. Asia is the largest and most populous continent in the world. Approximately 60% of the world population lives in Asia. The population is unevenly distributed because of various physical features. China and India alone covers 3/5 of Asia's population. River plains and industrial regions have high density of population. Europe is called the Giant Peninsula. Europe is found in the northern hemisphere. It covers an area of 10.5 million square kilometer. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea in the south, Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Ural Mountains in the east. So it looks like an giant peninsula. Although Western Europe is located in the high latitudes, it has the moderate rainfall climate. North Atlantic drift is the warm ocean current which brings warmth to the Western Europe. The westerly wind further transports warmth across Europe. Answer the following in detail. Give an account of the drainage system in Asia. The rivers of Asia originate mostly from the central highlands. Ob, Yangtze, and Lena are the major rivers that flow towards the north and drain into the Arctic Ocean. These rivers remain frozen during winter. On the other hand, South Asia has many perennial rivers like Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, and Ravadi. These rivers originate from the snow-covered high mountains that do not freeze during winter. Euphrates and Tigris flow in West Asia. The Amur, Yangtze, Yangtze and Mekong rivers flow in the south and the southeastern parts of Asia. Yangtze is the longest river in Asia. Describe the mineral sources found in Asia. Iron ore. Asia has the largest deposits of iron ore in the world. China, India, Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar has the iron ore deposit. Coal. Coal is the fossil fuel. Asia has the largest deposits of coal in the world. China and India are the largest producers of coal in Asia. Petroleum. Petroleum is a mineral oil. Southwest Asia has the largest petroleum reserves. Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, and UAE are the important petroleum producing countries. Other countries are South China, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, India and Russia. Bauxite is found in India and in Indonesia. Mica is found in India. Tin is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. What are the fjords? How do they protect harbors from bad weather conditions? In Europe, the northwestern highlands region includes the mountains and plateaus of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Scotland and Iceland. This region has the most beautiful fjord coast. It was created by the glaciations in the past. The region has a lot of lakes which serve as reservoirs for the producing hydroelectricity. The fjord is a narrow and deep sea inlet between steep cliffs. It helps in the following ways. It reduces the speed of wind irrespective of its direction. The force of sea waves are also controlled. Hence, areas with fjords are best situated for natural harbors. Describe the climatic divisions of Europe. The climate of Europe varies from the subtropical to the polar climate. The Mediterranean climate of the south has warm summer and rainy winter. The western and northwestern parts have the mild, gently humid climate influenced by the North Atlantic drift. In Central and Eastern Europe, the climate is humid continental type. In the northeast, subarctic and tundra climates are found. The whole of Europe is subject to the moderating influence of prevailing westerly winds from the Atlantic Ocean. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ நான் உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.